Hi everyone, I am Ali. Welcome to my channel WebTech City. We learn, build and grow together. If this video helps you, please like, comment, share, subscribe and turn on notification for more video tutorials. Thank you. So now let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to this tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to buy domain and hosting step by step. End of this video, you will have everything you need to start building a own website. You will be learn everything. So let's get started. At first, open your browser from your laptop, from your tablet, from your mobile, from your desktop, whatever you have, you can open from there. So, lot of company in the online are selling domain and hosting, so I will show you few of them, probably most popular. So hostinger.com, if we go to domain name search, we'll get the search box. Enter your domain name for your website or for your business, but remember, you have to choose a domain easy to spell, easy to remember, match with your brand. So if we want to buy like web track city.com, just search webtechcity.com is already taken. So this domain is taken by someone, so we have to buy a domain for us. So we have to add some word. webtechcity.com is available. So now if you see in the bottom side, you will see lot of domain extension like track, xyz, digital shop, vrg, online pro, store page. All of them are domain extension. So you can buy also like .org, you can buy .online, like that. Whatever you need, you can search. When domain is available, so the domain is available from $0.01, best value for 3 years. Okay, when you will buy for 3 years at a time, then you will get 0.01 price. If you go to another provider, namecheap.com, just copy it and search it. Watch it. webtechcity.com, $10.98 per year. It's from Namecheap. This is also good company. If we go another provider, just paste here and search, and you will see it's like 1050 VDT currency. This is my local country currency, that's why it's showing VDT. It's like about 10 USD. So I showed you already Putul Host, Namecheap and Hostinger. So every provider are selling domain and hosting. You can buy from anywhere, wherever you will get best price. This is Hostinger is giving you offer. If you buy for 3 years, then you will get this price. So I bought the domain and hosting before. I'm not going to buy a new one. I will show you a previous one. So let's see how to buy. Okay, so we got the webtechcity.com, and now click on register now and click on checkout. And so now there is very important things. We choose a domain, but we need also hosting. So when you will buy domain and hosting from the same place, you will have the option now at hosting with the domain. There is lot of category for the hosting, pro web hosting, premium web hosting, VDX web hosting. So I'm going to buy basic web hosting right now as my need. We can buy for 12 month and place order now. So default WebTech City ID is selected for the hosting because already we added in the cart. If you want to transfer your domain from another provider, you have to click transfer the domain to Putul host. You have to write you have to put the name. If you already have a domain, also you have to put the name here, domain name here. If you don't choose any domain, first you choose the web hosting, then you have to register a new domain. So we have already use my cart domain. Okay, and now click on go. So now hosting billing cycle will buy for 1 year. If you want, you can buy for many kind of session here, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 1 month. So we are going to buy for 1 year. Okay, now click on continue. And webtechcityit.com 1 year registration, domain also always 1 year, and hosting PH 1 GB package. So now already both are selected. Now continue. Now you have an option for review. Everything is okay. 1 GB hosting 1 year for 1200 and VDD currency. Domain registration for 1 year, 1050 VDD currency for 1 year. You have to buy at least 1 year domain, and other you can go for 9 years, 5 years. So we are selected 1 year, and now click checkout. Okay, so just remember, if you are a new user, you have to create an account when you are going to purchase domain and hostings. So I have already account. I have active account from the provider, so already registered. Okay, I don't need to open account, but if you are a new user, you have to open account. You just need to fill up everything, then check out. Okay, so I have to here provide my email, and my parse automatic setup, and there is the payment gateway. Lot of payment gateway you will see whenever you will buy a domain and hosting from any site. You will get many options. You can pay using your credit card, using your debit card, using your mobile wallet, like that. So just click on accept. I click complete order. Let's see, they created an invoice for me, so they're asking for pay now, but I will not pay right now because already I bought few domain and hosting before. So I will show you existing one, but just I showed you how to buy domain and hosting. I hope you are very clear now. So if we go to client area, click on client area. Okay, so just I will show you my previous domain and hosting. If we go to my domain list, just I will show you one domain I bought a few days ago. Watch it. Suppose fworld.site, the domain I bought from the same process, from the same company. So just I logged in, that's why it's my under domain list. If I go to also my all services, I will see fworld site and active. Also my domain was active. So actually you understand very well how to buy domain and hosting. In the next video I will show you how to connect domain and hosting and how to add SSL. So you will be very clear. Please don't miss it. Next, go to the next tutorial. Okay, thank you very much.